Hello, welcome back. Gotta get that morning cup. It's morning where I'm at. Wherever you are, I hope you're having a good day, good morning, a good evening, and whatever, good afternoon. I'm going to finish up cleaning my eyebrows. The video before this, I showed you how to do this quick eyebrow look, but it's not perfect. And it's not gonna be perfect, and I didn't use a whole lot of product, but just enough to get by because I have very thin eyebrows and I just have to shape them up and fix them up. So today we're gonna clean the under eye up using tart shaped tape, and I don't know what the color is, but you want it to kind of match. You want it to be a little lighter than your skin tone. We're gonna take that trying to put this video under 2 minutes so you get the idea. You want to take a very flat brush, very flat brush. You want to have a very steady hand doing this now. As I indicated, it does take a little practice, but it's what we do. We practice. And if you practice this, you will get the idea. You want to take this concealer and drag it all the way down just above your line. This is actually serving as like a primer for your eyeshadow, but it really looks super good when it's all cleaned up. You want to go clean, and then we're gonna put a little this is the reason why you use a flat brush, so that you can get those top edges. You might think it's a little oily, which it is. I put a little bit of oil in there to loosen it up, and that's okay, because I'm going to show you how to fix that. You're just matting it up, really, so that when you get ready to apply your shadow, or you can even go natural like this, or close to natural as you're going to get, and do this, and you don't have to put any shadow on. It's totally up to you. But today I'm going to show you how to do some shadow. I'm going to do some red, because I'm representing my team today, and it's Saturday. So yeah. Let's stay tuned, since my video has gone over 2 minutes. Cleaning up the eyes, doing the eyebrow, using a little bit of powder. We are ready for the next one. So stay tuned. I'm going to do this eye next.